Hello students, today we discuss the question answer power sharing. First we take MCQ questions. Our first question is, which of the following statement is not true? A. In Belgium, leaders released the unity of the country is possible only by sharing power. B. In Sri Lanka, the majority community wants to force domination over others. C. In Sri Lanka, the demands for more autonomy to provinces populated by Tamils has been granted. D is division of Belgium along linguistic lines was averted due to power sharing. The correct answer is option C. The C answer is, in Sri Lanka, the demand for more autonomy to provinces populated by Tamils has been granted. Next question, question number 2. Which one of the following is an example of horizontal power sharing? Option A is power sharing between different states. B. Power sharing between different organs of the government. C. Power sharing between different levels of government. D. Power sharing between different political parties. The answer is power sharing between different organs of the government. Uh, Different organs, legislature, executive and judiciary. Okay, the B option is correct. Question number 3 is, choose the correct option. Power sharing is desirable because it helps to increase pressure on government. B. To reduce possibilities of conflicts. C. To generate awareness among people. D. To increase percentage of voters. The correct answer is B. Option is B. To reduce possibilities of conflicts. Next question, question number 4. Which major social group constituted the largest share in the population of Sri Lanka? Option A is Sinhalas, B. Sri Lankan Tamils, C. Indian Tamils, D. Muslims. The option is A, that is Sinhalas. Question number 5. How many times of Constitution of Belgium was amended between 1970 and 1993? A. 2 times, B. 3 times, C. 4 times, D. 6 times. The correct answer is option C, 4 times. Question number 6. Who elects the community government in Belgium? A. People belonging to one language community only. B. By the leader of Belgium. C. The citizens of the whole country. D. The community leaders of Belgium. The correct option is A. People belonging to one language community only. Question number 7 is, power is shared among different political parties that represents different candidates. B. Same ideology. C. Different ideology and social groups. D. None of these. The correct option is C. Different ideology and social groups. Question number 8. Which one of the following is the only official language of Sri Lanka? A. English, B. Hindi, C. Tamil, D. Sinhala. The correct answer is Sinhala. Which one of these is a major social group in Sri Lanka? A. Buddhist, B. Christian, C. Tamils, D. Muslim. The option is A. Buddhist. Question number 10. In which of the following year Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country? 1947, 1948, 1949. The correct option is B, 1948. Question number 11. Which one of the following community is not related to Sri Lanka? A. Sinhalas, B. Indian Tamils, C. Parsis, D. Sri Lankan Tamils. The answer is Parsis. Option C is correct. Question number 12. Which one of the following communities constituted majority in Brussels? A. French speaking, B. Dutch speaking, C. German speaking, D. None of them. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Yes, the option is correct option is A. French speaking. Question number 13. Division of power between higher and lower levels of the government is called horizontal distribution, B. Parallel distribution, C. Vertical distribution, D. Diagonal division. The correct answer is vertical division. Question number 14. In which one of the following countries principle of majoritarianism led to civil war? A. Pakistan, B. Sri Lanka, C. Belgium, D. India. The correct answer is Sri Lanka. Option B is correct. Question number 15. Which two languages are generally spoken in Belgium? A. French and English, B. Dutch and English, C. French and Dutch, D. Dutch and Sinhala. The correct option is C. French and Dutch. Question number 16. What is the percentage of German speaking people in Belgium? A. 59, B. 40, C. 60 or D. 1. German speaker is only 1%. So option D is correct. Question number 17. Community government exists in, where you can see the community government? A. Germany, B. Sri Lanka, C. USA, D. Belgium. The correct option is D. Belgium. Question number 18. The government in which power is shared by two or more political parties is known as community government, unitary government, federal government, coalition government. The correct option is D. Question number 19. Which one of the following ethnic group is related to Belgium? A. Muslim and Christians, B. Dutch, French and Germans, Christians and French, D. French and Dutch. The correct option is B. Dutch, French and Germans. Which of the following cities in the capital of Brussels? A. Paris, B. Colombo, C. London, D. Brussels. The D option is correct, Brussels. Question number 21st. Sri Lankan Tamils refer to which of the following? A. Tamil Muslim, B. Tamil native of the country, C. Tamil whose forefather came from the colonial government. The option is B is correct, Tamil native of the country. 22. Question number 22. In Brussels, 80% people speak French while 20% speak Dutch. B. 80% speak Dutch while 20% speak French. 80% people speak German, 20% speak French. D. 80% speak German, 20% speak Dutch. In the Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Yes, Belgium में Brussels is the capital of Belgium. 80%, option A is correct. 80% people speak French and 20% speak Dutch. Yes. Question number 23. Which of the following is the main ethnic group in Sri Lanka? Hindu, Muslims, Sinhalese, D. Christians. The correct answer is Sinhalese. Question 24. Which of the following system of power sharing is called check and balance? A. Horizontal distribution of power, federal division of power, C. Separation of powers, D. Power shared among different levels of government. The correct option is A. Horizontal distribution of power. We can see it in the legislature, executive and judiciary. Yes. Question number 25. Community government is a general government for the entire country, B. A government elected by people belonging to one community, C. A social division based on shared culture, D. A government which literally means rule by the people. The correct option is B. A government elected by people belonging to one community. Question number 26. Which one of the following was not a demand of Sri Lankan Tamils? A. Recognition of Tamil as an official language. B. Regional autonomy. C. Equality of the opportunity in jobs. D. Reservation of seats in the parliament. Option D. Reservations of seats in the parliament. Question number 27. Which one is not a benefit of power sharing? Option A. Reduce to possibilities the conflicts between social groups. B. Ensures political stability in the long run. C. All political parties get their expected share. D. It upholds the spirit of democracy. Option B is correct. Ensure political stability in the long run. Question number 28. In a democracy, political power should be centralized, non-existence. C. Decentralized. D. None of these. The correct answer is decentralized. Option C is correct. Question number 29. Belgium does not have borders with which of the following countries? A. Germany. B. France. C. Netherlands. D. Sweden. The correct option is Sweden. You can check this answer with the help of map. Choose the correct option. Power can be shared in the modern democracies in the following ways. A. Among different organs of the government. B. Among various levels. C. Among different social groups. And all of the above. The correct answer is D. Question number 30. Which of the following was not a provisions of the Act of 1956 passed by Sri Lanka? Sinhala was recognized as the only official language. B. Buddhism was to be protected by the state. Provinces were given autonomy. D. Sinhalas were favored in government jobs. The correct option is C. Provinces were given autonomy. Question number 31. Which of the following has a community government kind of power sharing arrangement? A. Sri Lanka. B. Belgium. C. India. D. France. The correct option is B. Belgium. In Sri Lanka, the democratically elected government adopted a series of which measure to establish Sinhala supremacy? A. Community government. B. Federal government. C. Coalition government. D. Majoritarian. The option is D is correct. Question number 33. Which of the following language is not spoken in Belgium? A. French. B. Dutch. C. Danish. D. German. The correct option is Danish. Question number 34. Which one of the following is not a valid reason for power sharing? For majoritarianism. B. Being part and partial of democracy. C. Reduce tension. D. For political stability. The correct answer is A. Option is A. For majoritarianism. Question number 35. What is the percentage of the Dutch speaking people in Belgium? A. 59. B. 40. C. 60. D. 41. The option A1 is correct. 59%. Question number 36. Which one of the following statement about community government is true? Power is shared being different organs of government. B. Power is shared among government at different levels. C. Power is shared by different social groups. D. Power is shared by different political parties. The answer is C. Power is shared by different social groups. Next question. What is the percentage of French speaking people in Belgium? The answer is 59, 40, 60 and 41. The correct answer is 40. Among the following countries to Which one of the Indian Tamils belong to? A. Belgium, B. Sri Lanka, C. Germany, D. Nepal. The correct option is B. Sri Lanka. Next question. Tamil natives of Sri Lanka are called Sri Lankan Tamils, B. Indian Tamils, C. Muslim Tamils, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Sri Lankan Tamils. Next question. What were the consequences of the majoritarian measures adopted by Sri Lanka to establish Sinhala's domination? Next question. The headquarters of European Union located at Brussels, London, Berlin and Moscow. The correct option is Brussels. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Buddhism is the major religion of India, B. Pakistan, C. Nepal, D. Sri Lanka. Option D is correct. Question number 41. Which type of the following was constitutionally adopted by the government of Belgium? Policy of majoritarianism, B. Policy of accommodation, C. Policy of discrimination, D. Policy of economic equality. The correct option is B. Policy of accommodation. Next question. Which one of the following best explains of the complex ethnic composition of Belgium? A. It has 50% Dutch speaking and 50% French speaking people. B. It has all Dutch and German speaking people only. C. It has for 59% Dutch speaking, 40% French speaking and 1% German speaking people. D. It has majority of French speaking people as compared to the Dutch speaking people. Option C is correct. It has 59% Dutch speaking and 40% French speaking and at last for 1% German speaking people. Next question. Why power sharing is good for democracy? It is the spirit of democracy. B. It involves power sharing among all. C. It reduces the possibilities of conflicts. All the above. D option is correct. Imagine yourself as a Dutch native of Brussels. You are politically satisfied because of majoritarian measures government has taken. B. Equal representation of the communities in the government. B. French are the minority in the capital. Do you have got more benefits of economic development? Option B is correct. Equal representation of the communities in the government. Next question. Which one of the following is not form of the power sharing? A. Power sharing between organs of the government. B. Power sharing between different levels of government. C. Power sharing between social groups. D. Power sharing between the monarch and his minister. Option D is correct. Power sharing between a monarch and his minister. Next question. Power sharing is essential because it creates conflicts. B. It delay decision making. C. It accommodates the diversities. D. It increase instability. Option C is correct. It accommodates diversities. Next question, question number 47. Which one of the following is a normal reason to justify power sharing? It reduces conflicts. B. It ensures stability. C. It keeps up the spirit of democracy. D. It keeps the country united. The C option is correct. It keep up the spirit of democracy. Which one of the following statement about Belgium and Sri Lanka is correct? A. Dutch speaking people in Belgium dominate politics. B. The Sinhalese domination politics in Sri Lanka. The constitutional provision Belgium caused conflicts. The Tamils of Sri Lanka have equal rights. Option B. The Sinhalese dominate politics in Sri Lanka. Next question. What was the main reason from the following to make frequent amendments in Belgium constitution? A. To establish Dutch supremacy. B. To establish French supremacy. C. Proper arrangement for everyone to live together. D. to protect minority group of German. The C option is correct. Proper arrangement for everyone to live together. Next, in Sri Lanka, the Sinhala speakers accounts for A 71%, B 72, C 73, D 74. The correct option is 71. In Sri Lanka, the democratically elected government followed which type of government? A community, B federal, majoritarian, D prudential. Option C is correct, majoritarian. Question 51. The majority social group in Sri Lanka is Sinhala speaking people, B Tamil speaking, C Indian Tamils, migrants, D Sinhala and Tamil Christians. Option is correct option is A Sinhala speaking. Next question. Which of the following is not relevant to the Tamil problem of Sri Lanka? A. Conflicts between the Sinhalese and Tamils. Peace agreement signed between the Sinhalese and Tamils. Civil war of more than 50 years between Sinhalese and the Tamils. Majoritarian policy adopted by Sri Lankan government. Option B is correct. Peace agreement signed between the Sinhalese and the Tamils. Next question number 53. Which one of the following language is mainly spoken in Flemish region of the Belgium? A French, B German, C Dutch, D Spanish. Option C is correct, Dutch. A special government unique to Belgium alone is a community government, B cultural government, C coalition government, D representative government. The correct A option is correct, community government. Which one of the following group comprises a majority in Brussels? A Dutch, B British, C German, D French. Option D is correct, French. The language spoken by the people residing in the Wallonia region of the Belgium is A German, B Dutch, C Spanish, D French. Option D is correct. The official region of the Sri Lanka is Hindu religion. Official religion of Sri Lanka is option A is Hindu religion, B Christianity, C Islam, D Buddhism. Option D is correct, Buddhism. Next question. Which one of the following measures has taken by Sri Lankan government to establish Sinhala supremacy? Recognize Sinhala as official language. B. Following preferential policies for government job. C. Buddhism protected and fostered. D. All the above. D option is correct. Next question. Sri Lanka adopted the series of majoritarian law to establish A. Tamil supremacy, Sinhala supremacy, C. Buddhist supremacy, and D is Hindu supremacy. The correct answer is Sinhala supremacy. So children, these are your MCQ question, and now some other question you can write answer from these slides. Question first is, describe the ethnic composition of Belgium, or how is the ethnic composition of Belgium very complex? Explain it. Student, in the slides you can know how to write your answer in your examination. The answer is, first is Dutch speaking people constitute 59% of the Belgium's population. They live in Flemish region. Second, French speaking people constitute 40% of the population. They live in Wallonia region. Third is 1% of the population speak German. And third, in capital city Brussels, 80% speak French and 20% speak Dutch. Next question, question number 2. What was the main cause of tension between the two linguistic group of Belgium? You can see this question in other form. What were the two main cause of resentment in Belgium in 1960? Or assess the reason for ethnic problem in Belgium. A. First question. First is, does speaking people constitute 59% of the Belgium population? French speaking constitute 40% of the population, and remaining 1% of speaks German. Second, the French were rich and powerful, the Dutch were poor. This created discontent among the Dutch. Third is, tension and conflicts started between the French and Dutch. Next question, explain the power sharing arrangement in Belgium. You can see this question in other type. Highlights the measures adopted by the Belgium constitution for the prevention conflicts in Belgium, or state the main elements of the power sharing model evolved in Belgium, or explain the example how ethnic diversities was accommodated in Belgium, or how did Belgium solve the ethnic problem, or describe the three unique feature of the government in Belgium. Your answer star. Belgium amended their constitution 4 times and made the following arrangement. First is, equal number of ministers from the both French and Dutch community in the central government. Second, some special laws need to support the majority of the members from each linguistic group. State governments and are made autonomous and they got many powers. For a separate government was set up at Brussels with equal number of ministers from both French and Dutch communities. Each community will elect its own separate community government. This government will look into cultural, education and language matter. Question number 4 is, describe the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. First is, Sinhala speaking people constitute 74% of Sri Lankan population. Second, Tamil speaking people constitute 18% of population. Tamils are divided into two groups: Sinhala Sri Lankan Tamils that are 13%, and Indian Tamils, that is 5%. Sinhalas are Buddhist. Among the Tamils are Hindus and Muslims. Next question number 5. What were the reason for alienation of Sri Lankan Tamils? What was the effect of this on the country? Or give an account of Sri Lankan problem. Why Sri Lankan Tamils felt alienated, or explain any 3 reasons for the strained relationships in Sinhalas and Tamils of Sri Lanka. Sinhala speaking people constitute 47% of Sri Lankan population. Tamil speaking people constitute 18% of the population. After independence, a Sinhala dominated government came to power. First, it declares Sinhala as national language. Second, Sinhala speakers are given preference in government jobs and university positions. Third, Buddhism was declared as the state religion. Tamils did not enjoy equal political rights and they were discriminated against. Fourth, Tamils demanded official language status for Tamils. Fifth, they demanded equal educational and job opportunities for all the citizens. Sixth, later they demanded a separate state called Elam. A civil war started and a large number of people lost their lives. Next question number 6. Mention any 3 demands of Sri Lankan Tamils, or which 3 demands of the Sri Lankan Tamils accepted and met with can settle the ethnic conflicts in Sri Lanka for good. Explain. First is, Tamil demands official language status for Tamils. Second, they demanded equal educational and job opportunities for all citizens. They demanded autonomy to the Tamil majority area. Later, they demanded separate state called ILM. Next question, question number 7. Explain three measures taken by Sri Lanka according to an act passed in 1956. First is, it declares Sinhalas as national language. Second, Sinhala speakers were given preference in government jobs and university position. Buddhism was the declared as the state religion. Next question, question number 8. What is the principle that is being followed by the government in Sri Lanka? Describe. Or what is majoritarianism? How has it been adopted in Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka followed majoritarianism policy. It is a policy that gave many privileges to the majority community and discriminated against the minority. First is, the government declares Sinhalas as national language. Second, Sinhala speakers are given preference in government jobs and universities. University position. Buddhism was declared as the state religion. Tamil did not enjoy equal political rights and they were discriminated against. Question number 9 is, what were the demands of the Sri Lankan Tamils? How did they struggle for their demands? First is, Tamils demanded official language status for Tamils. Second, they demanded equal educational and job opportunities for all the citizens. They demanded autonomy to the Tamil majorities area. Later, they demanded a separate state called Ilam. Tamils formed their own political organization and raised their demands. Later, some terrorist groups were formed. They started a war against the government. Next question number 10 is, apart from the central and state government, which is the third type of government practice in Belgium? Community government. Answer is community government. Next question number is 11. What lesson do we learn from the majoritarianism and accommodation followed in Sri Lanka and Belgium respectively? Or both Belgium and Sri Lanka were democracies but they followed different system of power sharing. Support the statement by giving the 3 points of differences. The leaders of Belgium succeeded in making an arrangement to share power among the ethnic groups. This could avoid conflicts and civil war. The Sinhala leaders of Sri Lanka were not willing to share power with the Tamils. This led to conflicts and civil war. Power sharing is necessary to avoid conflicts, accommodate diversities, and establish peace. Question number 12. How did power sharing benefit Belgium? The answer is, power sharing helped Belgium to avoid social conflicts, strengthened the unity of country, it avoided a civil war. Next question number 13. How and when was Sinhala recognized as official language of Sri Lanka? In 1956, by passing an act, Sinhala was declared as the official language of Sri Lanka. Next question. Which factor is responsible for increasing the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lankan Tamils? Option is majoritarianism. Next question 15. What measures were adopted by the democratically elected government of Sri Lanka to establish Sinhala supremacy? The answer is majoritarianism. Next question 16. In which country the principle of majoritarianism lead to civil war? Answer is Sri Lanka. Next question. Sri Lankan Tamils refer to which social group? Tamil natives of Sri Lanka. Which language is not spoken by most of the people of Belgium? German. Answer is German. Next question. Who elected the community government in Belgium? People belonging to one community, language community. Next question number 20. Name countries with Belgium has border. Netherlands, France, Germany and Luxembourg. Next question. Explain any 3 consequences of the majoritarian policy adopted by Sri Lankan Tamils. Tamil felt alienated and they thought that they are being treated as second class citizens. Second, Tamils demanded official language status for Tamils, equally treatment and autonomy to Tamil majority area. Third, Tamils formed political organization to put forward their demand. Fourth, Tamils demanded a separate state called Ilam. Fifth, a civil war started between the Tamil and the government. Next question: why is power sharing is necessary in the democracy? Explain. Or sharing of powers make a country more powerful and united. Do you agree with this statement and why? Or explain the two main reasons why power is sharing is important in a democracy. Prudential reason for power sharing: power sharing help to reduce conflicts between social groups. It establishes political stability and strengthens the unity of country. It goods for the majority also because it provides them peace and security. Moral reason of power sharing is democracy means power sharing among the people. So power sharing is the spirit of democracy. All the social groups must get a share of power. Next question number 23: why is power sharing desirable? Explain moral reasons in this regard. Or power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. Justify this statement with the three suitable points. First is democracy means power sharing among the people. So power sharing is the spirit of democracy. All the social groups must get a share of power. Second, power sharing ensure active participation of people in democratic process. This will make a government more effective. Third is it helps in accommodating diversity. Next question is why is power sharing desirable? Give three prudential reasons. First is power sharing help to reduce conflicts between social groups. Second, it establish political stability and strengthen the unity of the country. Third, it is good for the majority also because it provides them peace and security. Question number 25: explain any three forms of power sharing is modern democracy. Or what are the different type of power sharing in modern democracy? Give one example of which each of these. Or explain the four forms of participation in government under the modern democratic systems. Or explain how power is shared in modern democracy. The answer is power sharing among different organs of government. In democratic country, power is shared between legislature, executive and judiciary. Each organs check the others. There is a balance of power. This system is called the system of check and balance or horizontal distribution of power. For example, the Bombay High Court ordered Maharashtra government to take step in order to improve the condition of street children. Second, power is shared among the government at different level. In federal system, political power is shared between two sets of government, one at the center and the other at the state. This is called vertical division of power. For example, in India, the constitution divides power among the central and state government. Third is power is shared among the different social groups. Power is shared among different powers is shared among different social groups such as religion and linguistic group. Example, the community government in Belgium. Fourth is power is shared between political parties, pressure groups and movements. In a democracy, the citizens have the freedom to choose the government. Competition between political parties in the election ensure that the power does not remain in the hands of one party. Interest interest group also get a share in power. For example, in Tamil Nadu, DMK and AIADMK comes to power periodically. Next question number 26: in modern democracy, power is often shared among different organs of the government? Explain. Or why is horizontal distribution of power often referred to as a system of checks and balances? Explain the reason. First is, in democratic country, power is shared between legislature, executive and judiciary. Second is, each organ checks the other. There is a balance of power. This system is called system of check and balance or horizontal distribution of power. For example, the Bombay High Court ordered the Maharashtra government to take step in order to improve the condition of street children. Question number 27, how is power shared between different levels of the government? In a federal system, political power is shared between two sets of government, one at the center and other at the state. This is called vertical division of power. For example, in India, the constitution divides power among the central and state government. Next question, describe the horizontal and vertical power sharing in the modern democracy. Horizontal power distribution of power. In democratic countries, power is shared between legislature, executive and judiciary. Each organ check the other. There is a balance of power. This system is called system of check and balance or horizontal distribution of power. For example, the Bombay High Court ordered Maharashtra government to take step in order to improve the condition of street children. Vertical distribution of power. In a federal system, political power is shared between two sets of government, one at the center and other at the state. This is called vertical division of power. For example, in India, the constitution divides power among the central and state government. Describe with example the way in which power can be shared between different social and linguistic groups. Answer is, power is shared among the different social groups, groups such as the religion and linguistic group. Example, first is community government in Belgium. Second, reservation of the seats of the Dalits in parliament. Next question number 30 is, explain the power sharing. Answer is, power sharing is a system in which all the social and ethnic groups are give a role to play in the administration of the country. First is, in democratic country, power is shared between legislature, executive and judiciary. Second, in a federal system, political power is shared between two sets of government at the center and the other at the state. In a democracy, the citizens have the freedom to choose the government. Competition between political parties in the election ensure that the power doesn't remains in the hands of one party. Fourth is, power is shared among different social groups such as religious and linguistic group. So children, these are your question answer, and I hope it will be helpful for you. You enjoy this video. Thank you so much.